Alright guys, this is our other video here. There's one entrance. This is the hallway here. So when you come in, this is the foyer. The finishing of the HVAC. This is the lobby. The other door entrance here. This is our trainee's office. They're getting it in on the electrical here. See the child care center with the door hooks. Again, this is our main entrance. Here is our smoothie bar, built out for the sanitation sink, and the 3 basin cabinets will be going up. This will be the hair salon. Diva Style will be in here soon. Can't really see. This is the hallway here, guys. Alright, so the hallway, long shot. Here is the locker room. Almost done here. This is the men's locker room here. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me, but finishing up the HVAC. Long shot. We're getting it in, stripping the floors to put the wood down. And then also the rubber floors are going up. This is the Group X room here. We're finishing up here. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, we're doing good.
Oh, looking good, right?
Yeah, it's looking good. It's almost finished. Yep. All right, guys, quick snapshot. Holla.